The rear turn signal on my KLX has broken. How did it get broken? I don't know. I went and parked it in the garage, perfectly fine. The next day, uh-oh, the light's broken. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out a Kawasaki turn signal. This applies to most Kawasaki bikes, so stay tuned. So the rear light got a little broken here. Aww. Looks kind of funny when you turn it on though. Blink, blink. In this video I'm going to show how to change out a broken turn signal on your KLX. Now this one here is on the rear. First thing we have is a Phillips screw right here. Now I did think of changing out this whole fender assembly, and I thought that would look really great with a smaller one with just the tail light with integrated turn signals into it. Alright, so that pulls this turn signal out here. 2 bolts underneath the rear fender here. These 2 little 8mm bolts up under the fender. Next we have 2 little bolts up here under the fender on either side. I'm gonna get those both out. And this will take the rear fender part off of the bike. We can remove this whole fender piece. You can get down here into the wires here with just this clip here. It would pop right out. Fish the wire out back through this hole. So right like that, you can see that little connector there. Then you have this other piece here on the back side, so make sure not to lose that. Alright, we got some more light here, literally. This is the new turn signal here, so we're going to plug it in and test it before we stick it on the bike. Alright, so that is how to change out the turn signal. I would consider getting a smaller fender piece back here. They have little lights that just go up underneath the fender right there, and they have turn signals integrated into them. And I think that would be a better option for a KLX trail bike setup. So there we go guys, I hope that video helps you out. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.